Hi, welcome everyone. My name is Shay from DreamHomeBasedWork.com. I appreciate all of you for tuning into today's video. We will discuss how to make money babysitting pets and kids. This is a job that can be done either inside of the home or outside of the home. I wanted to make sure I share some opportunities for those that want to get away from the computer. So I'll show you where to find these jobs online. The first company is SitterCity. This is an online website that's been around since 2001. Once you sign up here at SitterCity, you will have the opportunity to find jobs in a number of areas: babysitting, nanny services, child care services, special needs care, pet sitting care, and also companion care. You can simply get started by going to join as a sitter and go ahead and create your account. Once you have created your account, fill in all of your details here and then also agree to the terms and services. Then you will hit the button sign up. SitterCity also screens all of their candidates. This is great practice for potential sitters, also the families that are bringing you on as a sitter. There is a background check that is conducted and the fee is $15. The pay for this position is normally around anywhere between $15 to $22 per hour, and they offer a very flexible schedule, so you can do this either part-time or full-time. So if you are interested in becoming a sitter, go ahead and fill out these details and create your profile today. The next website you can check out is care.com. Now, this is an online marketplace. Clients can post jobs here as well as caregivers. They can just create their profiles and offer their services. They actually specialize in a number of different services. You can offer child care, senior care, pet care, housekeeping, and also tutoring services. Caregivers are able to set their own prices. They can negotiate rates as well with the customer depending on what that customer needs. Now, you can either search for a caregiver here, or you want to actually find jobs. So you would simply go right here and you will select the service that you would like to offer. You need to identify if you are an individual or a small business, so you most likely will be an individual. And then they want to know a little bit about you, and then you will simply click Join Now. The next website is rover.com, ROVER.com. Now, this website focuses on providing babysitting services for pets. So if you are a dog lover or you love cats, then you can be able to offer your services here. Now, you will simply go to this right here and select Become a Sitter. And as you can see, they have some information here. You are able to earn up to $1,000 per month, and you have great flexibility over your schedule. You can set your own schedule and your prices, and you can offer a combination of different pet care services, whether it's just watching a pet or if you want to do some grooming services. The list goes on. So they do have some information here. It pretty much works as simple as the other two websites. You will create your profile and start looking for pet jobs. This way, clients that are using this website, they will look and browse through all of the different profiles, and they will choose the person that they think is the best fit for the job. Then you will simply accept any babysitting request that you think will potentially work out for you. Make your own schedule, and then you will get paid. Payments are ready for withdrawal 2 days after you have completed a service. So you will simply click right here to get started. Another online website with a great reputation online is Urban Sitter. This marketplace charges absolutely no fees to offer your services. You will simply create an account, apply to the jobs that are listed in your area, and then you will start earning money. Now, you can simply click right here to apply to jobs, and then go ahead and start entering your birth date. You can connect to your Facebook or Google account, but for the most part, if you just want to sign up by email, then you can go ahead. You will get to set your own schedule. According to their sign up page, the top sitters earn more than $1,000 per week. So this is a great site to check out if you are looking for some legitimate nanny jobs. I really hope you guys enjoyed the information that I shared in this video. Don't forget to check out a free video training I recently released for how to start a money-making blog today. If you are a beginner and you have always aspired to start your own blog, but you just have absolutely no idea where to start, I will teach you how to build a profitable blog from scratch with absolutely no experience. I will leave information below for you to register and you will get instant access. It's a 3-part video series, very easy to follow through to start your own blog today. And as always, if you are looking for any other work from home opportunities, make sure you check out my official website, dreamhomebasedwork.com. I share so many job alerts there throughout the week, and also I have a huge work from home directory where you can search for jobs by category. So I hope to connect with you there. You can simply go through my website and also stay connected with me on all of these platforms: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn. I'm all over the place, so definitely connect with me there. Thank you guys for watching.